Good morning, team. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So we are in the process of lining out the building. So we are spray free, identify where and where the backwoman are gonna cut the trenches. So we are work off of the foundation plan. Them did actually come with a bucket where a bit too wide, so them are going for a 16-inch bucket if you cut it. Cause we now work it either 22 or 24 they have that can't work. So guys and they are going to mark out in the meantime. Sweet cup, let me taste it.
Bossy, you have to take a bossy. I want inside I eat. You have to squeeze and bossy it. You boss one night. Alright. You color it black.
Sweet cup.
Sweet cup the name, then taste like a sinner.
Oh, it look and taste like passion fruit for real.
I will left it somewhere down there, sir. See it down there, sir. See it on my front of the house.
Which part?
The backhoe guy failed to find the bucket where we require to cut this foundation. So tomorrow morning again before nothing else go on right here, so the guys are gonna move this post over to that side because this is too close to the building, and this wire in order to reach the poles them it gonna go over a building, and you don't know safety hazard and them like a thing there. At least 10 foot we want it away from the building or anywhere where the guys are gonna use in the morning again.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
Good morning, team Ismash. We are on day 2 of the vlog, and Baku is here doing excavation. So we are currently excavating the center wall, and then we're going to work our way around with the backhoe. So in this vlog, we mostly go do pure excavation, which is cutting out the trench. So a trench is when it is deeper than how it is wide. So as you can see, we line out and we like a ding. The backhoe jump over this with same skills. Soft one. So, hindi na kami to far sa. Alright. mega wall. But normally we're going to go straight up the apex. But it's not finished excavating. We want him to deal with that side there, so him not a hurdle over them here again. So when he cut that side there, it's good to cut these inner pieces, the shorter wall, because you can do it either on the outside or the inside in here. So now and you don't want it at first, so we'll just cool off and go over there so you can cut there so first, so him not stop by no means. And then we're going to work with your round and cut the rest of the wall, our trench. So after about 4 hours worth of work, we finally reach half of the building. So we're 50% in, and we have it in the middle of the foundation. Is posing a problem for us. It's very solid, and over here is the soft part. In here is so very solid. So we find it hard to cut the trench in here. So however, I should let you guys know that this was, I probably did say it in our last vlog, but this was intended to have a raw foundation, a very shallow raw foundation. The architect requested a strip foundation, and that's how we are doing. In I make it very hard. We might have to go for hammer, but we don't really want to do that, but we might have to go do it. For the mere fact that I have to go split this video in 2 parts, I go, you know, end it today and continue it back tomorrow as a part 2 to this. But as you guys can see, we commence excavation, and it's going well, but just the obstacle of in here. So team Ismash, we have come to the end of this vlog. As you guys can see, we commence excavation, and tomorrow we're supposed to finish it. So I'm going to have to break this vlog in 2 parts, a part 1 and a part 2 for the excavation, because we have something else to go do right now, and we can't quite stay here until them finish the completion progress with them there right now. So they might finish off about 50-something%. So tomorrow we come now, we have 100%, and we can show you guys the entire foundation, and the guys might come tomorrow if we can clean out the foundation, but more than likely that I have to push it the other day, and we can get to find and show you the shed, because in the vlog about the shed we never quite get to show you fully the completion of the shed, but the shed still fully completed yesterday, and we're back on a roll again. Team Ismash, thanks you guys for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys are subscribed to the channel and recommending it to friends to have come on this journey with me in the world of construction. And as we say, don't use my video as a gauge to say, yo, I saw construction go or whatever. Use it as a guide, because as we say, everybody work different, and every site different. To each site is his own. So yeah, Team Ismash, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I am currently out.